everyone, it's a beautiful day in the UK. The sun's out after ages and ages. So even though I have loads to do, lots of work, I decided to come out and do it in the middle of nature. Just thought I'd share with you a little tip about the PLAB tool. So many people ask me, what is it all about? They think it's really overwhelming when they have to learn so many cases, do so many scripts, and it just gets really, really overwhelming. And unfortunately, because of that, they miss the real essence of what the PLAB is all about. What does the GMC want? They just want to really fundamentally check that you are a safe and competent doctor to work in the UK. So if you have to really pay attention to one thing over everything else, it's about patient safety. Always be safe. Don't feel that you have to know everything about management, otherwise you'll fail. Don't feel that you need to get the exact right diagnosis, otherwise you'll fail. That's not true. You will fail if you say something which you're not sure about, which is wrong, which could cause an impact on patient safety. So always be safe. Remember, you're just being assessed at FY2 level. It's fine to ask seniors for help if you need to, but above all, make sure that you're a safe doctor. All right, bye.